Welcome traders and non-traders to the first video of our channel. In this video, we will discuss a little about trading as to what it is, who can do it and why trading in very short. I don't want the video to be very long, hence we'll keep it to the point and short. Well, about me, I am from Mumbai who is very passionate towards reading charts and data analysis. I am into trading universe for over 6 years now. I'm also an ISM certified individual for several courses who plans to get registered as SEBI RIA. Let's see how soon that happens as we all are into lockdown phases. Why did I get into trading? Well, there has to be a reason for someone to go completely out of the way and do something never thought of. I was running through financial crisis, was only earning through my fixed salary. Hence explored trading to be a secondary source of income which can help in managing loans and expenses. Now you may be wondering, did it really help? Well, financially, nope, it did not. In fact, I took another dent from it. But in terms of knowledge, yes, it taught me a lot, which is not only applicable in trading but in real life as well. You may be thinking real life में क्या ही सीखा होगा, but trust me, once you start getting into trades, once you start trading, once you face the ups and downs of it, you will automatically start relating your life to trade. Am I trading now? No, I am not, but trying to help others to trade through social media. My CFO friend made me realize one day with a very beautiful analogy. सोचो कि भगवान ने गॉड या अल्लाह, अब जैसे भी वर्शिप करते हो, सभी को सारी अच्छे गुण और ज्ञान दे दिए तो क्या होगा? What he intend to mean is, अगर सबको सब कुछ अच्छा मिल गया तो बैलेंस कैसे मेंटेन होगा? Is the reason each one of us or each individual will have one or the other weak point or flaw in ourselves. Similarly, my biggest flaw while doing trades was my greed. No matter how well I identify the trade, the pattern, the entry point, the exit point, once the target is achieved, or rather the target point has been achieved, I still waited for it to go further, which ultimately lead into losses. So इंसान का ग्रीड है जो उसे ट्रेडिंग में कभी सक्सेसफुल नहीं होने देगा. Why did I start the channel? During one of our casual conversations, we discovered trading to be the only way where anyone who is with job or jobless, or an individual who intends to earn during free time, or during current situation of lockdown where people are at home and couldn't earn any money, all such people can trade and earn something. कम से कम घर का राशन तो आ ही जाएगा. I'm trying to help others with my knowledge and understanding, though not sure how many will take the benefit out of it. Hence, we decided to start a channel and post free live trading calls who lack trading knowledge but can trade. Now, many of you must be wondering, why start trading? See, in order to start any other business or any new work, you require certain things. Yes, I understand and I agree. To start trading, you need funds or capital. Yes, funds are the only requirement in order to do trading. You don't need any employer. You don't need any approvals. You can do it as per your convenience, as per your free time. What you need is basic education, who can at least read and understand. Yes, funds or money are the main component of trading. You should not get into trading if you cannot risk. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपने कुछ पैसे आपके घर चलाने के लिए रखे हैं और आप उस पैसे से आप ट्रेड करते हो ये सोच के कि आपका पैसा डबल हो जाए. नो, you are not allowed. You should not be doing it. What is intraday or day trading? Day trading is basically speculation. Yes, it is a speculation. We try to speculate or forecast the next move of the trading instrument based on current and historical setups. The only difference is if someone does it without knowledge and based on luck, it is gambling. Whereas if you apply study, analysis, ethics and discipline to it, then trading is both science and art. Is trading the only source of earning during COVID-19? Well, I'm asking this question or I'm raising this question because there are many forums or rather individuals speaking about this that बहुत बुरा टाइम आने वाला है. पीपल आर गोइंग टू लूज देयर जॉब, पे कट्स हो रहे, ले ऑफ्स हो रहे, विच इज़ वेरी अनफोर्सीन. इन सच सिनेरियो people will try to jump on to trade. They will try to trade with lack of knowledge. I don't think so, because people are trying their best to work from home, try and deliver what they have been doing. However, nothing is being done or possible while at being home. Is trading the only source of earning during COVID-19 or lockdown phase? You might be thinking, ये सवाल क्यों आ रहा है? Why I'm raising this question? Because I'm getting these questions. People are talking about this on social forum, during casual talks. We all know that we are going through a pretty bad phase, which may get worse. We already started getting news. People are getting laid off, salary cuts, business getting shut down. So now individuals or people are speculating that अब तो भाई सब ट्रेडिंग ही करने वाले, बिकॉज यहाँ पे एम्प्लॉयर की ज़रूरत नहीं है, यू डोंट नीड एनी अप्रूवल एंड सो ऑन. वेल, पार्शली करेक्ट एंड पार्शली इनकरेक्ट, बिकॉज people are trying their best to work from home. They try and deliver what they have been doing. However, if nothing is being done, or possibly while at being home, मतलब आप कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे हो या फिर आप घर बैठे हो, trading can be definitely done during such period. Now you all might be thinking कि भाई मुझे ट्रेडिंग आती नहीं, मैं ट्रेडिंग करूँ कैसे? There's a solution to it. We will talk about it in few minutes. How much capital or money do I need to begin with trading? Well, trading के लिए आप कितने भी पैसे लाओ, it will be less if you are not disciplined trader, if you are not serious trader, if you are gambling, if you have a thought कि भाई आज तो 10,000 लगा के 20,000 बना के निकल जाऊँगा. बिकॉज ये बात सिर्फ आज की नहीं रहती, ये बात हर रोज़ होती है. ट्रस्ट मी, आई हैव बीन थ्रू इट. ओके, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, वेल व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड ट्रेडिंग, आई इनिशियली बिगन विथ a capital of 10,000. So yes, trading can be started with 10,000 in trading account, sufficient enough to buy single lot of Bank Nifty option and make slow money. Yes, make slow money. So 90% of my trading in the 6 years has been into Bank Nifty. Ideally, this should be the money which which shouldn't impact even you lose it over a course of time. I'm not saying कि आज लगा आज डूब गया, not that way, because every learning has a price to it, so it will take its price. What kind of education we need to have in order to trade? Well, according to me, no specific education or certification required as such. Basic reading, writing abilities in order to navigate, add, remove and execute the trade. In reality, there are very few number of screens which one may have to operate in order to perform trade. Be it any broker, any application they have been using, बहुत ही गिने चुने स्क्रीन्स होते हैं जो आपको ऑपरेट करनी होती है टू परफॉर्म द ट्रेड. माई सैलरी इज़ 10K. कैन आई ट्रेड? Ideally, no. Trading is risky, as I have been talking. I am making a video on trading, but I am equally honest. It is very risky. You shouldn't trade with money that you would need for your daily survival. Initially, the money you invest to trade, you should be ready to absorb the impact even if it is lost. I mean to say कि the initial amount जो आप ट्रेडिंग के लिए लगाओगे, मेंटली आपको तैयार रहना है कि ये पैसा शायद मेरा डूब सकता है. नॉट इन अ डे, नॉट इन अ वीक, बट इन अ कोर्स ऑफ टाइम. इफ़ यू कम विद एन एक्सपेक्टेशन कि ये जो पैसा मैंने लगाया है ये इसका मैं डबल बना के जाऊँगा, इसका मैं ट्रिपल बना के जाऊँगा, देन तो वो पहले दिन में डूब जाएगा. I am a housewife. Can I trade? Why not? Yes, very much. In fact, and in reality, women are the most competent and disciplined when it comes to saving small money earned and making it large. हमने सबने अपने अपने घर में देखा है, चाहे वो आपकी माँ हो, वाइफ हो, कैसे छोटे छोटे अमाउंट वो लोग चुपचाप जोड़ जोड़ के एक बड़ा कैपिटल बनाते हैं. Even I have never been able to do that, but I have learned it from my mother and wife. During my regular office hours, how can I trade? First come first, never let trading take over your primary source of income. Give respect to that first. Stay focused at work when you have to work. In spare time or during off periods, when you don't have work, you can check for setup and definitely trade. Is trading an addiction? Well, if you are gambling by way of trading, it will become an addiction. By nature, money itself is a big addiction, as we all run behind it every day. Trading can become addiction who fails to understand the nature of it. Mostly new traders who have earned through few big trades tends to get into addiction zone and gets destroyed. So for example, एक नया बंदा है जिसने 10,000 से ट्रेडिंग शुरू की एंड वन डे उसका 10,000 से उसे 20,000 का प्रॉफिट आता है. So suddenly his 10,000 have become 30,000. Since he made big profit, he will expect that to happen every day. He will lose that 10,000 also. He will lose the additional 20,000 profit made also, and he will try and get funds from external sources to trade and again get the same profit out of it. This is addiction. What if I keep making losses? Very simple. Make an exit permanently. If you are not able to learn, if you are not able to become a disciplined trader, trading is not your cup of tea. Stay away. Now, what help can I provide? In the sense, मैं आप लोगों के लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? So as I earlier said, I'm not trading. ठीक है, because I have greed in me. I know the setup, I know the patterns, I know the trades. ये कहाँ से शुरू होगा, ये कहाँ तक जाएगा. Though I don't say that I'm timing the market accurately, but yes, there are probabilities, there are propensities which we can calculate and trade strategically. Okay, I can provide my knowledge and understanding to you. I think that should help. I have been giving live trades on Telegram channel. Recently started from 26th April and plans to continue the same. I'm not intending to provide any trainings or any webinars or any kind of courses at the moment. Just pure live trades to be executed immediately. You see it, you understand it, and then you execute it. As a disclaimer, I'm here to help you. I'm passing on my knowledge or the crux of it onto the channels. You may observe it, you may learn from it, and then you may trade it. Executing the trade given on the channels is or has to be your responsibility. I'm doing my bit. This is the link to the Telegram channel. Lastly, please do take care of yourself. Please be at home. Take care of your parents and kids and entire family. Please don't forget to subscribe and share the channel. I would keep posting the daily market setups and useful information that may help you. Thank you. Stay safe, trade safe. Bye bye.